This is the Albemarle Morris Men. We're Morris dancers, which is traditional English ritual dancing. And we've been active here for 30 some odd years. And we're out on a dance out tonight because we lost our practice space for the night. So we have a very short season anyway. It usually only runs till about the beginning of June from the beginning of May. We celebrate May Day and dance a few times in between. And it's a fertility dance, so be careful.